Want to speak real Afrikaans from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at afrikaanspod101.com.
In this lesson, you're going to learn how to introduce yourself in Afrikaans. We'll start speaking right away, but first it's important to clarify that in Afrikaans, there are different greetings depending on the situation. Let's first see how Afrikaners introduce themselves in a casual situation. Hallo, ek is Anne-Marie. Aangename kennis. Hi, I'm Anne-Marie. Nice to meet you. Hallo, ek is Anne-Marie. Aangename kennis. Start by saying, Hallo, ek is, then say your name. For example, Hallo, ek is Anne-Marie. Finally, say aangename kennis. Again, all together, it is Hallo, ek is Anne-Marie. Aangename kennis. Now, let's see that same sentence in a more formal context. Goeiedag, ek is Anne-Marie Luck. Aangename kennis. Good day, I am Anne-Marie Luck. Pleasure to meet you. Goeiedag, ek is Anne-Marie Luck. Aangename kennis. Let's try that again. G. Try pronouncing it from the back of your throat. Goeiedag, goeiedag, ek is Anne-Marie Luck. Aangename kennis. So, what has actually changed from the previous introduction? Let's take a closer look at these expressions together. Hallo has been substituted with the formal greeting goeiedag, which is Afrikaans for good day. Ek is Anne-Marie has not been changed. Ek is simply means I am. However, during a formal self-introduction, we also say our last name. So I said Anne-Marie Luck. Here, you would say your full name. One more time. The informal way to introduce yourself in Afrikaans is Hallo, ek is Anne-Marie. Aangename kennis. The more formal way to introduce yourself is Goeiedag, ek is Anne-Marie Luck. Aangename kennis. Now it's time for Anne-Marie's tips. When you introduce yourself, it's a good habit to shake hands, usually with a short but firm handshake. If you're not sure whether to use hallo or goeiedag, just say hallo, as this expression can be used in all introductions. If you use the correct sentence with a friendly smile and a good handshake, Afrikaners will definitely be impressed. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to thank people. Remember, good manners are important. Are you ready? Let's start. Saying thank you in Afrikaans is very easy. It's just one word, dankie. Dankie. To say thank you very much, you just need to add baie, meaning a lot, at the beginning. Baie dankie. Baie dankie. What if someone says dankie to you? How do you answer? It's easy. Here is the most common response. Dit is 'n plesier. Dit is 'n plesier. Dit is 'n plesier can be used with just about anybody. Literally, this phrase means happily done or I did it with pleasure. So when someone says dankie to you, you can simply reply with Dit is 'n plesier. Now it's time for Anne-Marie's tips. If you're not sure about whether to use dankie or baie dankie, keeping it simple is always your safest bet. Just say dankie. You don't have to worry about saying the long version. The difference between the two depends only on how grateful you are or how much someone has helped you. In this lesson, you'll learn some of the most common greetings used when speaking Afrikaans. Is jy reg? Are you ready? Let's start. The most commonly used informal greeting is hallo. Hallo. Hallo means hi or hello. We can use this greeting with friends or relatives. Hallo. The most used formal greetings changes depending on the time of day. Let's see what they are. First we have goeiedag. Literally, goeiedag means good day. Goeiedag. As a rule of thumb, we can use goeiedag only during the daytime from late morning until early evening. Next is the greeting we say only for the morning. Goeiemôre. Goeiemôre. For the afternoon, we say goeiemiddag. Goeiemiddag. During the evening, we say goeienaand. Goeienaand. Goed is Afrikaans for good. Môre, middag, and aand means morning, afternoon, and evening, respectively. Easy, right? Now, what should you say when you leave? Afrikaners usually say tot ziens when leaving in a formal situation. Tot ziens. Tot ziens means goodbye. When we say goodbye to friends or relatives, we use the informal lekker dag. Lekker dag. You can also say bye, bye. Now you can greet people in many different ways in Afrikaans. Let's review them all again. First, the greetings. Informally, we simply say hallo. If you want to be a bit more formal, you can use goeiedag during the daytime, goeiemôre in the morning, goeiemiddag in the afternoon, and goeienaand in the evening. When leaving in a formal situation, we say tot ziens, and in an informal situation, it's lekker dag or bye. It's easy, isn't it? Now it's time for Anne-Marie's tips. In informal situations, Afrikaners, especially good friends, commonly greet each other by giving each other a quick hug. If you're unsure, you can just stick out your hand and give a firm handshake and a smile. A smile goes a long way.
Hallo, my naam is Pieter. Wat is jou naam?
Hallo Pieter, my naam is Zani.
Dis gaaf om jou te ontmoet.
Jou ook.
Verskoon my. Hoe sê ek cheese in Afrikaans?
Kaas.
Sorry, ek verstaan dit nie. Kan u dit herhaal?
Kaas.
Kan u stadiger praat?
Kaas.
Kan u dit vir my opskryf asseblief?
Hallo Anet, hoe gaan dit?
Hallo Mika. Goed, dankie. Hoe gaan dit met jou?
Goed, dankie.
Hoe gaan dit met Jan?
Heel goed en met Bert en die kinders?
Ook goed.
Wat 'n verrassing.
Ja.
Want to speak real Afrikaans from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at afrikaanspod101.com.
Woon jy weer in South Africa?
Ja, ek woon weer hier. Ek woon weer in Pretoria.
In die sentrum?
Ja, en waar woon jy?
Ek woon ook in Pretoria.
Werk jy in die sentrum?
Ja, ek werk hier. Waar werk jy?
Ek werk van die huis af.
Ek is op pad na 'n koffiewinkel.
Goeie idee. Ek is lus vir 'n tee. Is jou man ook in Durban?
Ja, Bert het gister gekom.
Is hy nou in 'n sentrum?
Ja, ons werk albei in die sentrum.
Werk julle elke dag?
Bert werk elke dag en ek werk deeltyds.
First, you'll see an image and hear a question. Next comes a short dialogue. Listen carefully and see if you can answer correctly. We'll show you the answer at the end. Are you ready?
'n Man en 'n vrou gesels. Wat gaan hulle eers doen?
Wat wil jy vandag doen?
Ek wil 'n fliek gaan kyk.
Goed, ek wil 'n bofbalwedstryd op TV kyk.
Ek wil ook gaan inkopies doen.
Die bofbalwedstryd gaan 1:00 vanmiddag begin.
Goed. Kom ons gaan kyk dan eers die fliek en dan kan jy die bofbalwedstryd kyk.
Goed so. Dan sal ons in die aand gaan inkopies doen.
Wat gaan hulle eers doen? 'n Man en 'n vrou gesels. Wat gaan hulle eers doen?
Wat wil jy vandag doen?
Ek wil 'n fliek gaan kyk.
Goed, ek wil 'n bofbalwedstryd op TV kyk.
Ek wil ook gaan inkopies doen.
Die bofbalwedstryd gaan 1:00 vanmiddag begin.
Goed. Kom ons gaan kyk dan eers die fliek en dan kan jy die bofbalwedstryd kyk.
Goed so. Dan sal ons in die aand gaan inkopies doen.
'n Vrou eet middagete in 'n restaurant. Wat gaan sy bestel?
Wil u koffie of nagereg na die ete hê?
Watter nageregte het julle?
Ons het vlaapudding en appeltert.
Ek wil eintlik net koffie hê asseblief.
Wil u suiker en melk hê?
Bring dit asseblief met melk. Wat gaan sy bestel? ‘n Vrou eet middagete in 'n restaurant. Wat gaan sy bestel?
Wil u koffie of nagereg na die ete hê?
Watter nageregte het julle?
Ons het vlaapudding en appeltert.
Ek wil eintlik net koffie hê asseblief.
Wil u suiker en melk hê?
Bring dit asseblief met melk.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.